Hello kids, let's learn snake names. Cobra. This is a cobra. Python. This is a python. Rattlesnake. This is a rattlesnake. Viper. This is a viper. Anaconda. This is a anaconda. Garter snake. This is a garter snake. King snake. This is a king snake. Corn snake. This is a corn snake. Boa. This is a boa. Milk snake. This is a milk snake. Grass snake. This is a grass snake. Water snake. This is a water snake. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.